Full screen.
Alam mo,
Mare.
ikaw, pasalamat ka, mahal kita.
Oo, mahal din kita, Mare, kaya kita tinuturuan.
Your favorite Design Face-Off series is back. On today's episode of Design Dares, two of the internet's sassiest creatives go head-to-head. Their improv podcast, Dog Show Divas, has broken the internet, but can they pass today's design challenge? In one corner, we have one of the OG dub kings himself, a certified car enthusiast, pero minsan school registrar, minsan din Tita Julie. Let's welcome McCoy Dubs.
Bariya lang po sa umaga. Hello, Canva. Hi, Chris.
Hello,
Nice
Boy.
meeting you. Thank you for having me here.
And in the other corner, the king of advertising POVs and co-founder of Beckenemen, where you can watch your favorite drag queens. He's bold, he's sassy, he's Baus Rufo.
No ID, no entry. Hello, kain ka lang ah.
So here's how this works. You will be designing something, but you won't know what until we spin this wheel.
Ay, wow! Dito pala napunta yung gulong ko, kaya hindi ako makapag-drive ng maayos kanina.
After that, you will have to draw a theme from Jar 1 and a Canva Magic feature from Jar 2. So you will have to use this Canva Magic feature in your design, and to top it all off, you have just 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Kaka-pressure naman yan, no?
Kaka-pressure.
Go spin the wheel, McCoy.
Ano kaya yan?
Ay! Hala, poster nga.
Poster na.
Oo.
We need to make a poster that is about Filipino fonts. Ang Canva feature na gagamitin natin ay Magic Grab.
Grab the magic dragon.
Grab the
Canva
Canva slides. At ang aming pong challenge for today is to design a poster with Filipino fonts using
The magic grab Canva feature. Timer starts now. Okay, let's go.
hanap tayo ng mga magandang poster templates.
Taring naman ng elements.
I love it. Nakakatuwa naman ang mga templates ng Canva. It's giving diversity. It's giving department store. So ngayon, meron akong hero image now na isang lalaki na gagamitin kong subject. Ito, nagagamit ako na ng Magic Grab. So, magagawa ko na yung pinapagawa sa atin ng Canva. Mababayaran na tayo. Oh my God, meron siyang ganun, no? Parang photocopier yung Magic Grab. Hinuhusgahan niya yung litrato. Ayan, natanggal ko na si Kuya. So, gagamit tayo ng Filipino font.
Oo.
Because it's not at the back, it's in font.
Font.
Ayan, tuwang-tuwak Cubao Narrow.
Wow.
Diba?
Ay, may ganung word?
May ganung font para sa mga taong masishikap.
Nakatuwa, no? Ang daming pwedeng gamitin sa Canva.
Okay, we're halfway through. Hopefully, you guys are finishing
We're
your
halfway
design.
through. Very ano to, no? Internet cafe pa-extend. Ano pa yung ibang Filipino font? Hindi ko na siya ma-access.
Ayan, B.
Ayan.
May laptop ka ba, Mare? Full screen,
Alam mo,
Mare.
ikaw, pasalamat ka, mahal kita.
Oo, mahal din kita, Mare, kaya kita tinuturuan.
Oh my God, ang ganda na nung sayo. Teka, nape-pressure me.
Ang dami palang fonts na,
Ang daming,
ano,
diba?
na Filipino.
Diba?
Ang dami,
It's
no?
more font in the Philippines.
Oo. Ano, I love it also kasi merong Cubao wide.
Cubao wide, may Cubao narrow. At this point, we feel properly represented. Thank you so much,
Oo.
Canva.
One minute left.
Hala, 1 minute left.
I'm really gonna go for Paaalalabas condensed. It really is asking for it. Ayan, pwede ka mag-custom background. Ilalagay mo lang,
Oo.
i-feed mo lang, then mag-generate siya.
Ay, ang ganda,
Ayan.
sis.
Ang ganda.
Oo.
30 seconds left.
Sandali!
Ay!
10, 9,
Ay.
8, 7,
Hala, wait lang po!
6,
Oh
5,
my God!
4,
Wait lang!
3 and a half,
Ay!
2, 1, hands off in the air.
Ang bilis naman nun. 5 minutes na yon.
Unahin ko muna yung akin.
Ah.
So of course, ang aking statement is the wanted tubero. But of course, to really reflect the trying economic times, meron po tayong parenthesis na yung mura lang please. Because we all need a very cost-efficient tubero. Ito po siya.
Yan.
Kita naman natin. Of course, si Kuya,
Oo, what's
hindi
the
po
ano?
siya yung tubero, okay? Siya yung naghahanap ng tubero.
And for me, I think the design, it's 10 over 10.
Oh my God, I love it.
Okay, now I'm presenting to you the poster of what the Philippine tourism campaign should be. So, this is PAC Philippines Gorana. So, definitely gumamit po tayo ng Filipino fonts.
Correct.
So, naglagay po tayo ng skyscraper. Tapos, ang likod po ay chocolate cube.
So parang mukha na siyang Hawaii.
Mukha na siyang Hawaii. Mukha na siyang Sao Paulo, Brazil. Gorana and Tubero.
Correct. Yes.
Nag-connect! Dahil Tubero ang nagko-connecta ng mga pipeline
Correct.
para mag-connect lahat ng ekonomiya, ng tubig, pera, lahat.
Mga Kanbarkadas, you've seen both designs. Now it's your turn. So Makoy, why should they vote for your design?
I think they should vote for my design because all the elements that drives the economy and tourism are here. Yeah.
Baus, why should they vote for yours?
You should vote for my design not because it is the most compelling, not because it is the most aesthetically pleasing. Iboto nyo ako kasi kamukha ko si Bing.
Feeling mo kung babalik tayo,
Oo.
ano yung next na na element na gusto mo?
Parang next time, gusto ko ang maging element sa natin mga cats.
Ako gusto ko sana, you know what? Gusto ko dinosaur.
Oh my God, I love it. Ano paborito mong dinosaur?
T-Rex.
Ah,
Ikaw?
Milo dinosaur.
Oh. Milo-nosaur.
Milo dinosaur!
And that's a wrap on today's Design Theirs. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye!
Bye!